Killer whale. The name alone paints a dark picture of a solitary, brute force monster prowling the deep ocean. These giants are the world's largest species of black and white dolphin. At full size, these powerful mammals reach 32 feet in length, as shown in this side-by-side comparison with an average human. Their dominance across global oceans is driven by more than sheer scale. It is rooted in a unique combination of specialized biology and mental capacity. One of their most unusual adaptations is a biological workaround known as the half-asleep swim. This diagram of their brain shows the mechanism in action. While one hemisphere dims into a dormant state to rest, the other side remains fully awake. This allows them to stay semi-alert to their surroundings and keep swimming even while they are technically napping. This biological efficiency provides a constant foundation for survival, leaving their minds free to develop the advanced social behaviors that define the species. These social behaviors begin within the pod, the extremely tight-knit family units they live and operate in for their entire lives. Every individual pod maintains its own highly specialized, localized diet. Some families exclusively eat fish. Others focus on larger, difficult prey, hunting adult swordfish, seals, or even other whales. These specific dietary choices are learned traditions, proving that different pods have developed their own distinct family cultures. Hunting complex prey requires specific tactics that are taught by the older members of the pod to the next generation. To target seals resting on floating ice blocks, certain pods have mastered a highly coordinated maneuver known as the wave-making trick. The pod swims in perfect physical synchronization to generate a wave powerful enough to wash the seal off the ice and into the water. Executing a maneuver with this level of coordination requires deep shared knowledge, elevating these animals into a species with a tactical heritage. Orchestrating these hunts requires clear communication, utilizing a sophisticated system of whistles and clicks. These sound wave visualizations highlight a remarkable discovery. Just like humans, orca families have distinct regional accents. A pod from one part of the world sounds entirely different to a pod in another ocean. This acoustic diversity is evidence of a localized, high-level societal structure that is almost unique in the animal kingdom. We see the full extent of their observational intelligence and how they interact with humans in aquarium settings. In captivity, some orcas have successfully mimicked human speech, copying words like hello and goodbye. This level of awareness creates a deep ethical conflict when they are removed from the wild for entertainment. Creatures with regional dialects, generational family bonds, and distinct cultural heritages belong in the open ocean, not in tanks. In our next episode, we look at the world's largest reptile, the saltwater crocodile. It is a predator that squeezes water from its eyes when it bites, but gently carries its babies in its jaws.